Best websites for freelancers to make money. Hi guys, today I'm telling you about different websites that will help you earn money as a freelancer even if you are a professional or a beginner. So let's get started. Up first, we have a website called Fiverr. Fiverr is one of the most famous and top rated websites out there. Now, the good thing about Fiverr is that Fiverr allows you to create your own profile with a lot of cool features that help you gain your first gig. Now, on Fiverr, you can actually find freelancers for anything, like anything that comes under the sun, you will find a freelancer for. For example, whether it's a logo design or WordPress, voiceovers, video editors or explainers, or social media management, you can see right here that all of these jobs, all of these services are available on Fiverr. For example, if you want you to grow your SEO, you want illustrations, you want graphic designers, translators, and data entry and writers, many jobs can be found on Fiverr. So if you are a freelancer, then Fiverr is a very good platform for you. But there is a drawback that I have noticed about Fiverr. Now, on Fiverr, you will see these professional freelancers that have 5-star rating, and sometimes it becomes a little difficult for you as a beginner to find jobs on Fiverr, and it takes time to get your first job. But if you're true to your job, you have the talent, you have the skill, then and you have a good profile, you know how to bid and propose, give the proposal, then I think it's not that hard for you to get your first job. And let's just check out that. You can see right here the categories on Fiverr are amazing. You can see right here that under every category there are hundreds of other categories that you can actually work on. If you are a beginner and if you are looking to hire somebody, you will be able to find the best freelancers on Fiverr. Now, the jobs obviously depend on the salary, depends on different factors and from client to client what the person wants to pay you, but most of the time the top rated freelancers are earning $100 per hour on Fiverr. So yeah, you can also go ahead and check out Fiverr right now. Next, we have a website called Upwork. Now, Upwork is also one of the most famous freelancing websites out there, and it is very famous, and it is also one of the most top rated websites out there. Again, very professional, and freelancers for any kind of job can be found here. Jobs for all of the freelancers can be found here. There are different categories that you can actually apply for. If you are a freelancer and if you are a beginner, you'll have to develop your profile, and your profile should stand out. For example, let's go to somebody's profile. Very randomly, I'm going to this profile right here, and on Upwork, Upwork is very secure and very professional. I have personally worked on Upwork, and it's really amazing, and the experience is great because, and the good thing about Upwork is that it has less chances of getting scammed. That's what I have noticed, even on Fiverr, but on Upwork as well. So you can see right here, this is what the profile looks like of some person. You can see that this person is actually charging $50 per hour. So on Upwork, you will find these very big clients as well that will pay you a good amount of money. So as a beginner, yes, Upwork is amazing, and again, Upwork is good for beginner, but again, it also has a lot of competition, and in order to get to the top rated, among the top rated, you'll actually have to work very hard, and people that are top rated are actually earning a lot of money. So yeah, in the beginning maybe you'll find it a little difficult but to find your first job, but if your proposal is right and your skills are there and you're talented, then Upwork is amazing platform for you to find your first job. Up next, we have LinkedIn. Now, LinkedIn is a little different from the websites that I mentioned earlier because on LinkedIn, it's just not a freelancing website, but you can see right here from the view of LinkedIn, it's kind of gives you an idea of a social media account as well, like your Instagram or your Facebook. But to find the jobs and to find the freelancing jobs, LinkedIn is top rated, and you can find remote jobs, full-time jobs as well. So to find freelancing jobs, LinkedIn is amazing. So what you do is you can see this option right here of jobs, and when you go on jobs, you will be able to find job for you of for whatever you do, whatever your profession is or whatever your skill is. You'll be able to find the job right here. And the good thing about LinkedIn is that it gives you, you can find jobs that are near you, and you can, customize or filter them according to salary, and you make connections on LinkedIn. That's a good thing. Like, for example, if you have worked for somebody or you're going to work for somebody, you can make connection with that person, and then that connection can lead to, bigger opportunities. So that's pretty amazing. And so on LinkedIn, you actually have to make a very professional profile. That's actually a thing on LinkedIn, and which I found a little, difficult in the start, because as a beginner, you have to develop your profile first on LinkedIn. And if you have a pretty impressive profile, then you can get jobs very, very easily. So as a beginner, you'll actually have to, work on your profile. And if you are, looking to hire different freelancers, again, you'll have to make your profile good, and then you'll be able to find good jobs. So yeah, on LinkedIn, you can actually find amazing jobs. Your dream job can be right here if you come on LinkedIn. So yeah, do check it out right now. Up next, we have Freelancer. Now, Freelancer is one of the websites that were very first websites that were created on the concept of freelancing and, to find jobs and hire people. So that's why it's very old, and it's very famous also. It's very, very common, and you can find freelancers. Every freelancer that has ever worked, I think they have come across Freelancer, because as you can, tell by the name as well, it is named Freelancer. So, whenever, if you will even search out the word freelancer, you'll get to this website. So what happens on Freelancer is amazing to find your first job. And Freelancer is very, very beginners friendly. The websites I mentioned before, like Fiverr, or Upwork or LinkedIn, these all websites, they were not that beginners friendly in some way, as I mentioned. But on Freelancer, I can guarantee you that you will get your first job, because it's very common, and all of the clients are found here, and all of the jobs are found here. So you will find a job. Like, for example, if you bid for a job on Fiverr, and you have bid for a job on Upwork and on Freelancer, then I am 90% sure that you will get the job on Freelancer as compared to Fiverr or Upwork. So it's pretty amazing. But here comes a drawback as well. I have used Freelancer, and I noticed, because Freelancer is very common now and everybody is on Freelancer, and it's very easy to use, it's very simple. So there are many scams as well. So you'll have to, you'll come across these scams too. So you'll just have to, take care of that and be precautious of that, the scams that are going to happen on a Freelancer. But if you know, and you have the skill, you have the talent, and you have the knowledge, then I think Freelancer is an amazing website. Next, we have Guru.com. Now, Guru.com is loved by many because it is one of the very professional and again famous website, and it has again all of the jobs that are you looking for. And the good thing about Guru is that most of the time the professional freelancers are found on Guru, and the teams and companies and different agencies are found on Guru.com. So that's actually pretty amazing if you are looking to join a any agency, or you're looking to find a team to join, then I think Guru will be amazing for you. What you do is, if you want to hire somebody, you'll just simply post a job right here. And in order to find jobs, if I go to find jobs right here, I will be able to see different jobs right here. And you can see that these jobs actually pay a good amount of money. That's also a thing on Guru, that like for example on Freelancer or Upwork, you will find jobs that do not pay that much, because it depends on the client and the company. But on Guru, most of the clients are actually rich, and you can say the companies are willing to pay. So that's a good thing. And you can see right here, this job has like 250 to $500. This one also has 250 to 500. So pretty amazing, a very good website, and very beginners friendly as well. And it has a competition, but as compared to Fiverr and Upwork, it's not that strict. So yeah, guru.com is an amazing website, and I think you will be able to find your first job on Guru as well. So if you are looking for, as you are a freelancer, you are looking for a website to join, then I think Guru is an amazing option. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you'll be able to find your first job as a freelancer on one of these websites. So make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.